Hello guys, welcome to Bigya Info. Today we are going to Sri Shakti Peetham, which is near Rayal Cheruvu, Tirupati, which has been established by Sri Siddheshwarananda Bharati Swami and Sri Ramyananda Bharati Swamini. And we are going on the way, and it is so nice here. The climate is so good, very greenery, and we are moving from many villages, and it is around 75 kilometers away from Tirupati bus stand. So you can find this place very easily by keeping the landmark of this lake, the Rayal Cheruvu Lake. And from the Rayal Cheruvu Lake, if you move towards the left within 500 meters, you can find the Sri Shakti Peetham. This is the lake, very huge, very pleasant, very beautiful, so good. And this Anjaneya Swami deity will be there in front of the Shakti Peetham. This is the entrance of the Shakti Peetham. There's also a board here. You can see the board which is written as Sri Shakti Peetham, and the Swamiji photo is also there. And this is the road. If you go like this, you can see the lake, and the nature is so good. The Sri Shakti Peetham is in between a beautiful place. The nature around, greenery, it is very quiet, it is very peaceful, so cool. Let's go inside and see the Peetham. And I know in upcoming Navaratris from 17th of October 2020 to 25th of October 2020, Sri Dasamahavidya Divyotsavas are going to be conducted in this place. This is the Shakti Peetham, which has been recently established on the Guru Purnima day, that's on June 5th, 2020 of this year. And Swamiji is performing his Chaturmasya Diksha here. From June he is in this place, and lot of homas, pujas have been performed. And in the Dasamahavidya Divyotsavas, lot of pujas is going to be conducted. I'll give you the whole information at the end of this video. And you can see the Shirdi Sai and Kalima here just in front of the ground floor. In the ground floor you can see the Patala Pratyangira Devi and Shvetavarahi Devi in the ground floor. And if you move towards the up floor, you can see the Marakatha Shakti Kali Devi and Marakatha Siddheshwara Swami, the main deities in the Shakti Peetham here. So we're moving. Let's go and have darshan of Sri Kali Devi and Siddheshwara Swami here. We'll just see around. Navagrahas are there. It is so pleasant here. It is very quiet, very quiet. You can see the Sri Chakram here in front of the Kalima. Have a darshan of Kalima, Sri Marakatha Shakti Kali Devi, and you can see in front, you can see Siddheshwara Swami as in a linga form. Let's see the Sri Chakram, Sri Chakra Rajam, which is the embodiment, which is the symbol of the Parashakti. Very powerful. And there are a lot, many deities, many other deities also here around. And there is also Ganapati here to the left, and you can see Kala Bhairava Swami here to the left of the Kali Devi. And the lake is just behind the Peetham. Even you can see the lake from here, from the window. And there are Dasamahavidya Devis are here around the Kali Devi. Five deities on the left and 5 deities on the right. And these Dasamaha Devis are Kali, Tara, Lalita Tripura Sundari Devi, Bhuvaneshwari, Tripura Bhairavi, Dhumavati, Chinnamasta, Bagalamukhi, Matangi and Kamalatmika. The nature is pulling me here. It is very beautiful, awesome. It's awesome. You can feel the nature. You will get inner peace, by seeing the nature. You're being quiet. It is so good. And the rest of the Devis are here to the right. Chinnamasta Devi, Dhumavati and Bagalamukhi. I'll show you clearly. This is the Chinnamasta deity. I'll show you clearly. Spin here. Kamalatmika, Kali Devi. And next it is Adi Shankaracharya, Sri Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya deity is also here on to the right. To the right, this Shakti Peetam is so beautiful. So beautiful place. Showing you around. And Navagrahas here to the right hand side. In Tirupati, as I can say, there is only 2 temples which has Swayambhu Navagrahas temple. One is in Kapiltirtham and the other one is near Tirupati in some other temple. And this is the place. In the ground floor you can see the Patala Pratyangira Devi and Varahi Devi here. In the ground floor it is like this. I couldn't capture it. I had darshan, I couldn't capture it because we shouldn't capture. When you go there you can have darshan. Annapurna Devi here on the left hand side when you're moving inside, and on the other side you can see Radha Krishna. And this is the place. It is so good. And coming to the Navaratri Mahotsavas, the information on the very beginning day on 17th of October, the puja and Mahotsavas are going to start with Vigneshwara Puja, Go Puja, Punyahavachanam and Kalashasthapanam on the very beginning day. And to the rest of the days, every day there will be Abhishekam Puja for the Varahi Devi and Pratyangira Devi, and daily Homam and Purnahuti will be conducted by Sri Siddheshwarananda Bharati Swami, and Alankaram will be there, Navaratri Alankaras will be there, Pujas will be there, and every day from 5:30 to 7:30 in the evening there will be Avatara Seva, Visishta Puja will be there, Darbar Seva will be conducted. On the last day, on Vijayadashami, Dasra day, in the evening, there will be Semi Puja, Ayudha Puja and Pulangi Seva will be there, and Unjala Seva will be performed. So anybody who are interested to visit at that time, they can get the blessings of Kali Devi, they can get the blessings of the Parashakti, and they can also get the blessings of Sri Siddheshwarananda Bharati Swami and Sri Ramyananda Bharati Swami. And you can participate in the homas, pujas and everything, and you can see the Swami there, and you can perform puja and everything. And I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.